It's Saturday. We're going fishing Sunday. I'm so pumped about this fishing trip. We're gonna be catching perch, crappie, catfish, and bass. Well, that's what I'm trying to catch. I hope we can catch some bass. I've been getting all my rods and reels ready. Catfish rod and reels good. Ready. Got the drop shot rig. Guys, so I'd just like to give a shout out to Angular Emery. I'll put his channel link down in the description.
I'm gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name. Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop bosses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just want to.
You guys wanna play football instead? I brought one.
Alright guys, so we got the first catfish. Alright guys, first perch for me. They're starting to bite, so I'm gonna catch a couple more of these. He has my worm in his mouth. Oh. Okay, he has my worm in there. But first perch. Alright, see y'all when I catch some. Wait, Aiden, come here. Alright, Aiden just caught his first fish of the day. So we've all caught one perch. Right here, Aiden. So we're gonna go ahead and release this and catch another one. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Alright guys, so everybody has caught a fish now. This is Luke's first fish, perch. Alright, let's get on to another one. Alright, Luke got big. We'll go get the pliers.
Go get pliers, Ed. What pliers?
This is the biggest.
Just get
Let's
the pliers.
go get the pliers, Luke.
I have no idea where they are. Where are they?
In my backpack.
Luke, I don't know.
Side pocket. Or it might be one. This thing has a belly on it. Right there, look at that. This isn't the biggest actually, but the fattest. I caught the biggest so far. Or Lily did. But I gotta do some surgery. Alright guys, so this thing choked it. Alright guys, so
Touch its lip.
Aiden has got another one. I'm just pretty much spectating, but I'm trying to catch a catfish. This is another nice one. I wish we were eating these.
Dude, can I touch
Here's
it?
bait.
Dude, keep video. Can I touch it?
Right there.
Dude, can I touch its lip?
Yeah. Alright, Luke caught another one.
Dude, you know what I was just saying? I was just saying, I hope I catch one so I can yell.
Luke he got one.
Oh, really?
Don't lose it.
Doubling up, dude. We're doubling up.
Oh, he lost it.
Oh.
Dang it.
Can you cast this one out?
Yeah. I know a great spot. Alright guys, so I caught another one. This is a nice sized one. Not the biggest I thought it was, but he swallowed it. Alright guys, so we've been catching a lot of perch. No catfish yet. So I'm gonna take a loop around the pond, catch a couple more perch, maybe warmouth or a crappie. Let's do it. First crappie of the day, guys. Been working hard for this guy. Hey, crappie. First crappie of the day, guys. Been working hard for this guy. Hey, crappie. There he goes. Wow. Got one. Got one, guys. What is it? Oh, yes. Biggest crappie of the day, guys. I think this is a slab. Tell me in the comments if this is a slab. Oh, barely hooked. Alright, guys, second crappie of the day. Love catching these guys. Trying to catch a bass. Alright, go ahead and put this guy back. You got one? They're starting to bite. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. This guy's going crazy. Oh my gosh, I caught a monster. Look. The biggest one. Biggest crappie of the day. This guy was fiddling with me. Alright, here's another crappie. I'm gonna go ahead and get a release on this guy. Oh my gosh. The water just blew up. A huge catfish just bit on to one of our rods. Yeah. Okay, we're getting one. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Alright, let's get my poles out of the water. Let's get this catfish. Not just leaving them. I need a video. I need to record this. Alright, just don't get close to the water with it. Alright, it's coming. Here, record down there.
Get it in. Come on.
Don't press that button. Oh, okay, yeah. I got him.
Good job, good job.
Oh, that's a nice.
Oh! Oh my God.
Can I hold them?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so stick your fingers through here.
Yeah, grab him up in there and watch for the hook. Pretty fish.
Oh my gosh.
Record, Aiden.
I am.
Oh.
That's a monster.
First catfish.
Did you catch him?
No, he did. But I'm holding him. I'm holding his fish. It's a channel cat? Is it?
Can I touch it?
Yeah, it's hard. Good hook.
Can I touch
Yeah.
the gift? Can I like touch it right there?
Caught him on
Can
the
I?
back.
Oh!
I don't see the hook. It's on.
Hang on. I found my...
Oh wow, this thing. So, touch him.
What?
Alright, you can turn. You can end it.
Who did? No.
Got
That's
it.
a nice one. Is it a nice one to you?
Biggest bass of the day, guys. The smallest bass I've ever caught. Second bass, guys. I didn't know he was a bass, and he's gonna die because he's bleeding. All right, second biggest bass of the day. See if we can get bigger. Got it.
Oh, he's seen me.
That thing seemed big. It was pulling drag and stuff.
That's catfish bait.
Catfish bait. This is my catfish bait. Bass. Got it. That's another one. What is it? He's coming up.
Is there a fish?
Oh yeah, that's a nice
You want me to get the net?
perch. Oh yeah, that's the biggest of the day.
You want me to get a net?
No, we don't need a net. Oh wow,
Do you actually want me to get a net?
he just jumped.
You want me to get a
Oh
net?
my gosh, that thing's huge.
Is that gonna be catfish bait?
No.
No.
It might make a good
That is
bait.
pretty good. That is pretty good perch. That might be, that's the biggest one I've caught today.
Yeah, me
and that'd
too.
and that'd probably make good catfish bait.
No, that's too big. I'll
Be still.
be still.
Easy.
Wow. Alright guys, so got another crappie. Got another one.
To be up there now.
Are you going back to Hickory with Tiny One?
No.
Got another one.
wants them to be up.
Guys, I was like, I'm gonna catch my first fish laying down. I was just messing around. I was laying between the handles of the dock, And I see my floater move. I was like, here we go. And I caught the biggest crappie of the day. It was a fight laying down. This one's dark. Biggest. I think this is a slab. Yeah, but that's the biggest crappie and the darkest crappie. That's awesome. Let's see if we can catch some more. What is up, everybody? This is the end of this video. 55 subscribers, I'll do my next giveaway, but I know there wasn't many bass. The bass were on pine. I used spinner baits. I did yum dingers. I did everything. Bass were not biting. So I used worms, and I used chicken liver and perch for bait. And so I caught some nice fish, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. See y'all next time, and happy Easter, everybody. I'm going to upload this Monday, but this was filmed Sunday. It is 12 o'clock now, so it's Monday now, but I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.